Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button. Once you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Once you select the language, you will need to download and install the Zepp application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in Zepp with 2 P's at the end. And here we have the Zepp app on the list. Tap on it and tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, we can tap on Open button to open it. Once the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. You can allow them or deny them. For example, a location permission is useful if you want to use the weather feature for current location, or maybe something like tracking your activities on the map while recording activity like running, cycling and stuff like that. So if you want to use any of these features, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next we have the Bluetooth permission. This one I recommend to allow. I think it's required for the pairing process to work. So allow it. And now you should see the login page. And we need to log in into a Zepp account. If you don't have an account, you can always make a new one by tapping on sign up, or you can use third-party account like Apple, Facebook, Google, or Xiaomi and Line. Okay, I'm gonna log in into mine account, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, let's tap on sign in. And after you sign in, you might see more pop-ups about permissions. For example, this is for the health access and fitness activities. It's anything that comes with the health features. So if you want to use health features, you will need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the notification permission. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it, but if you want to see the notifications from the apps and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission. And then we have the Apple Health access. Tap on OK, and here you can allow or deny the permission for the app to write or read data for different health features like heart rate, sleep, steps and stuff like that. I'm gonna tap on turn on all and tap on allow, but you can customize this to your liking. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, find the My Devices category, tap on Add Device, tap on Watch, tap on Agree, Allow, and it's gonna open the camera app. And what you need to do is to point the iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code. And once you scan the QR code, it's gonna start connecting devices. Tap on pair, allow or deny the permission for notifications, tap on the check mark on the watch, you can synchronize the data from the previous devices. So if you had any other devices connected to your account, you might have some kind of saved settings, alerts and stuff like that, and you can synchronize that data to your watch. I'm just gonna tap on set as new device, but if you want to, you can synchronize the data. Here tap on done, done. And if you see this pop-up, it's about the Bluetooth calls and basically notifications about calls. If you want to use Bluetooth calls, you need to tap on go to settings. It will redirect you to settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here you have other devices and the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro will appear. the one with the numbers, because we have a normal one without numbers and one with the numbers. This is the Bluetooth call thing. And if you want to use it, you need to tap on the device, tap on pair, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And it should appear on the list of my devices now. And once it does, you can close the settings, go back to the app, and you will see the Bluetooth call pairing successful, and it should be working now. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone, because the devices are already paired. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.